In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a playlist on Vimeo. This is a great way to organize your videos into themed collections, whether for personal use, sharing with friends, or showcasing your work to a wider audience. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it really helps me out and allows me to keep bringing you helpful content. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open Vimeo and make sure you're signed in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's pretty easy to set one up, and you can do that right from the homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll be looking for a way to manage your videos, and that's where the library comes in. Go ahead and find the library option, which is typically located on your profile, or you might see it along the top navigation bar. Click on that, and you'll see a list of all your uploaded content. Now we're going to create something called a showcase. In your library, look on the left-hand side menu where you'll find different options. Click on the one that says Showcases. This is where all your curated video collections will live. Here, you should see an option that says New Showcase in the upper right corner of the screen. Give that a click. Now it's time to set up your new playlist. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a title for your playlist. This could be anything you like My Travel Adventures or Video Projects 2023. Make sure it's something that gives a clear idea of what viewers can expect to see in this collection. If you want to go one step further, you can also add a description for your playlist. This is optional, but can be a great way to provide more context for your audience. Think of this as your chance to tell viewers what they'll experience or what themes are tied together in your playlist. Next, you'll want to choose the privacy setting for your showcase. Vimeo gives you options to keep your showcase public, private, or anywhere in between. Selecting the right privacy setting is important, so take a moment to think about who you want to share your showcase with. Once you've got that set, it's time to add videos to this playlist. Click on the Add Videos button, and this will bring up a selection of all the videos you've uploaded to your Vimeo account. You can scroll through and select the videos that you want to include in your playlist. To add a video, just click on it. You'll be able to see a check mark appear next to the selected ones. After you've chosen all your desired videos, go ahead and click the Add to Showcase button. That's it! Your videos are now part of your new playlist. If you want to personalize the look of your playlist, you can adjust the layout settings by opening the layout settings. Here, you can modify how the playlist appears to viewers, which can help make it more visually appealing. One of the things you might want to do is change the order of the videos in your playlist. To do this, navigate to Layout Right Pointing Arrow, Video Grid Right Pointing Arrow Content. Then you'll see a sorting menu. Select Custom from that menu, and now you can easily drag and drop the videos into the order that you prefer. This is great for storytelling or just to keep the most important videos front and center. After you've arranged everything the way you'd like, don't forget to click Save Your Changes. This ensures that everything you've set up is applied and your playlist is good to go. That's all there is to it. You've now created a playlist on Vimeo, completely tailored to your preferences. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please remember to subscribe and like the video for more great content in the future. Happy video showcasing!